Stop scrolling. If you are looking to get that waist snatched and that booty lifted, check out this video. All right, so I found this young lady on Instagram. I think I was looking for body recomposition advice or whatever. I'm always looking for something. And baby, this girl's profile didn't come to play. Looks like she's some type of fitness model, because when I looked through her page, she had some type of like physique fitness competition. But look how much she gained weight, but nothing in her stomach. I mean, like the kids say, her body is tea. Okay? Who wouldn't want, I mean, who cares if you are thick, have, nice glutes and thighs, because when your waist is snatched. And her waist is snatched. We have to give her credit there. She put the work in. This is over a period, but okay. Can we say period? The body is tea. Go ahead, girl. Look at that. All right, so now we have Sylvie Finesse. She's on TikTok. As you can see, her stomach was not flat. She had a postpartum stomach, but she's doing a lot of, looks like, they call it deep core, y'all. This is like a deep core workout. That's what the other girl had said. So that's, this other girl, look at her. She's a postpartum coach. Her name is Angela Postpartum on TikTok. You do have to flip this around to, follow her, her exercises here. But a lot of them are doing similar things. They are on the floor doing floor exercise similar to Pilates. So now we're transitioning to Phoenix postpartum. As you can see, she did have a belly pooch and it's gone. And so she attributes much of this to similar to what Angela postpartum did. A lot of floor exercises, working on deep core. So she's doing knee tuck ins and outs, 3 sets of 12 reps. And normally when I go to the gym, I'm doing 3 sets of 15 reps actually. But I have not done these, so I haven't even heard of some of these. Heels to Heavens, I never heard of these. Or I may have done it like on a video back in the day. I do like this elbow plank, oblique crunch. So yes, these body weight Pilates type of exercises makes sense. It makes sense to do it on the floor. Then this crab hold, I think I've done it before, but I didn't know that was the name of it. So, like I said, I'm going to have to incorporate these into my workout eventually. Last but not least, we have Slim Thick. She had went from 257 pounds to 135. So I believe that equates to a little bit over 120 pounds. I believe 122. And that's a lot of weight to lose. Hey, shoot, maybe one day I'll, get close to that. I don't know if I want 122, but at least 100. I already did 10 of it, so let's go. But yes, she looks amazing. Actually, funny story, my shape is similar to hers at that weight. So I kind of looked like that at that weight, probably a little bit thicker in the hips and butt, but other than that, that can be increased if that's what she wants. But she does look good. She is slim thick. She pretty much can wear whatever type of clothing she wants to wear.
In this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to get a smaller waist and to grow your glutes while shrinking the waist. First things first, and if we want to improve our shape, we need to speed up our metabolism. And we can do this with a few things. First being training. We want to work out and not be scared to lift weights. Weight training will make it where your metabolism continues to speed up and you start burning calories as the day goes on. We also want to start having small, frequent meals. We need to eat more. You're probably not eating enough currently. And when we're not eating enough, our body begins to fight us. It holds on. The metabolism slows down. Tip 2 is workout frequency and high and low days. For workout frequency, what I mean is we need to give our body time to rest. Meaning, if we want our glutes to grow, do not hit them all week. I would hit them 2 times, no more than 3. That way they have time to rest. If we continuously train glutes all week, this is going to lead to overtraining and the breakdown of the muscle. AKA it's gonna shrink it. Tip 3, and that is posture outside of the gym and structure inside the gym. When it comes to smaller waist, it's literally in the way you hold yourself. You decide how you distribute body fat. If you always have crazy arch here, guess what? Your body's gonna adapt from it and your waist is going to increase. And also, if you wanna build your glutes, you have to make sure your glutes get activated. When you always have a lower back stress, guess what? Your glutes aren't gonna do the work, it's gonna be your lower back. That's why when you do hip thrusts, you probably feel more in your lower back than you do your glute. I really hope this video helped, and I promise you, if you apply all these things, you will start to see results.
All right, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for staying to the end. And this is Shanika Bridges Matthew with Shackles Off TV. Remember to take the shackles off your mind, body, and spirit and learn something new. Have a wonderful day, and please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're attempting any of these things. All right, have a great day.